Hey guys, DJ Lawton here, and today I just want to do a quick video showing you how you can sidechain your reverbs or other spatial plugins such as delays and even chorus effects if you really want, and what that sounds like and why you'd want to use it. I've got a channel here with just a little vocal sample on it. I'm just going to play it real quick so you can hear it like it's dry.
All my club, all my
So the first thing people might do is just click on a reverb, come on it, and then just bring the dry wet down and
all my club, all my club, all my
the reverb sounds good, but obviously you can hear the reverb is washing over the next set of vocals, next set of lyrics. It becomes very clouded and difficult to hear the original vocal, and the atmosphere becomes overpowering. So the next step we want to do is if we select the reverb unit here on the channel strip, and then we press Control G, we can make a group. And if we click this, we can set some chains up. We're just going to create a chain, and then we have an empty chain. So we call this dry and this one wet. So now we can then come in the reverb and put this to 100%. So then we have one for the dry channel. So if I solo this, it sounds like
all my club,
as it was at the start, and then for the reverb,
all my club,
it's just the reverb, and then together.
all my club, all my
This is useful the way it's set up now because this is like a return channel, like you would do there, and you send it here and you add reverb to it, as I'm sure you've seen before. But we still have the problem of it being way too overpowering. So like a return channel, you can turn this up and down. So this would be like the first step we would do before sidechaining it.
all my club, all my club,
So it's pushing to the background a bit more, which is nicer. So next we're going to grab a sidechain and we're going to sidechain it to the vocal channel on the wet channel we've got here. Start bringing this down.
all my club, all my
Maybe dial in the dry wet a bit because maybe you want a little bit of reverb to continue underneath.
all my club, all my club, all my
You can hear the reverb's ducking down to let the vocal through, and it has this like atmospheric effect that brings up, and it like kind of joins the next set of vocals together. It's really nice for atmospheric and sort of like techno-y music for sure. We don't have to stop there. We can now do things like maybe put an auto panner on as well. We can just spin the reverb around our heads.
all my club, all my club, all my
So yeah, once you've got it in a separate channel, you can do all kinds of cool stuff to it, control it a lot more, and make more out of your reverb, make it into an actual effect rather than just trying to fill space. So yeah, just a quick tip today. I hope you find that useful. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.